My single best rebounding piece of advice for beginners would be to have good form, which I will show you, and to start with grounded moves. Let's get started today. So, like I said, good form. So, shoulder width apart, your legs slightly bent. Engage the core, stand up straight, relax the shoulders, all right? Start with the health bounce, pushing down on the mat. Just getting used to it. If you are brand new, you are going to do these 5 steps. Push down. You can use your arms if you want. Start with 2 to 5 minutes a day. After that, you can move up 1 minute at a time, working up to 10 minutes a day, and then increase to an hour after a while. All right, let's do walking variation. Just start with a normal walk. All right, left and right. Just getting that lymphatic system moving. Remember, you have a pump, you have the heart, it pumps, but your lymphatic system doesn't have a pump. So you've got to move to get those cells moving in your body. All right, good. Now you can step up and step back. Lead with the left, and then after you do about 8 of those, switch to the right. Okay, so that was your first 2 steps, the health bounce and a walk. Now we're going to do a step tap to the center. We're still pushing down on the mat. I also recommend that you have a stability bar or a T-bar if you are brand new and you have a little bit of trouble with balance and coordination. I decided not to get one, and eventually I may, just to do some teachings. So we're just step tap. That's your 3rd step. If you want to use your hands, your arms, go side to side. And we're getting those endorphins, the happy feeling, boosting that mood. All right, the 4th step is going to be a heel to the front. You want to remember that stay hydrated, plenty of water. If you want to add some electrolytes to your water, that helps also, so you don't get cramping. On the heels, if you're ready, you can do some bicep curls. That's your 4th grounded move. Your 5th grounded move is going to be a step out and a step in. Ready? Out and in. You're leading with one leg, whichever leg you feel comfortable with to start, doesn't matter. Then you're going to go to the other side. Lead with the other leg. Did you get it? Those were our 5 grounded moves. Now, when you're ready, if you want to go to the next level, we're going to do a basic bounce, a half jack, front to back, corners to the heels, and side to side jump. You ready? Give it a try. Let's go. Begin with a low bounce, just barely lifting off the mat. This is your basic bounce. Now, like I said, if you're brand new, just do the grounded moves and wait a couple of weeks and add these next moves. Good, half jack. Again, I'm barely lifting off the mat. Double forward, double bounce, double back. Forward and back. Again, these are a little bit more intermediate to advanced, so you can wait on these. Go to corner heels. Bounce and kick to the corner, you tap that heel, bounce and tap. Next time, if you're ready, you can do the arms. Kind of like bow and arrow arms. Yeah, side to side jump. Double and double. And then my favorite, the twist. You know, all my loyal followers, you know, it's my favorite because it works the waist, works the obliques, getting all those toxins out, bacteria out of your cells. Oh, so many other benefits and so many other moves to do, but that's all I wanted to show you today. Slow it down to just a heel lift. All right, got that? Just a heel lift. And go back to a health bounce. Bring the heart rate back down. I always say I never want to get off my rebounder because it's so much fun, and I hope you're having a lot of fun also learning the steps. And so we will stop that for today, and I just want to say thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.